Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York, and today we are standing in front of the Cosmo, kind of like in between the Cosmo and Bellagio, and looking across the street you see Planet Hollywood. We're going to check that hotel and casino out today. It's been a while since we've been there. Planet Hollywood was one of the last hotels and casinos to open up since the pandemic. The very last one would be the Cromwell, but they pretty much opened up at the same time, and they were the last two hotels on the Strip to open. Caesars Entertainment owns Planet Hollywood as well as the Cromwell, and there's been a buzz out there that they're looking to sell one of these properties. No one's really sure which one or if they're actually looking to sell anything, but like I said, there's rumors out there that either Planet Hollywood or the Cromwell will be sold by Caesars in the near future. And like I said, this is all internet buzz, nothing definite. Hold on tight. Part of this Planet Hollywood complex is the Miracle Mile Mall, which is a large mall located right here center strip. Not a high-end mall. It features a lot of the stores you find pretty much in any mall in Middle America. It's kind of like Fashion Show Mall up the road a little bit, but a little bit smaller, but don't get me wrong, these are two very large malls. Fashion Show also has anchor or department stores where Miracle Mile shops don't. Now, if you're entering Planet Hollywood from the Strip the way we just did, the first thing you're going to see on the left-hand side is a Gordon Ramsay burger. I've eaten lots of burgers on the Las Vegas Strip, and this is hands down the best one so far. Actually, there's been 2 burger challenges on this channel, and he won both of them. So if you're looking for a really good burger, Gordon Ramsay burger, also home of the best onion rings I've ever eaten. Coming up here is the Spice Market Buffet, which unfortunately was closed when I was filming. It is open now for to-go options, so they have food from all around the world. You just go up to the counter and they will package it for you to go. Basically, we just walked in a big circle. We came in at Gordon Ramsay Burger, then we passed this casino lounge on our left, and now we're back at Gordon Ramsay Burger, only the other side of the restaurant. And of course, there's a Starbucks here. Check out the NewYorkVegas.com link in the description below. If you're planning a trip to Las Vegas, you could save up to 50% on hotels, restaurants, shows, and attractions. Coming up ahead is Cafe Hollywood, a celebration of all things Hollywood. The restaurant features a fun, hip atmosphere combining retro and modern designs with an incredible menu, chic wine bar, and a counter filled with fresh pastries, coffee, gelato, and the hub for all takeout. Coming up here is the Heart Bar, located in the heart of Planet Hollywood's casino. Heart Bar encompasses all elements of a hot Las Vegas party, from live DJ spun music to multiple flat screen TVs playing the latest hits. You can easily spend hours here. Coming up here on the left is the Earl of Sandwich. I've never eaten here, and there's so many good things I've heard about this place, so my next trip I definitely have to stop in. It's actually voted the second best fast casual restaurant in the United States. That's a TripAdvisor's Traveler's Choice Award. It's open 24/7 with all kinds of sandwiches and hors d'oeuvres and munchies, and you name it, you'll probably find it here on the menu. And this is the Planet Hollywood race book or sports book, and it looks like there's a lounge here as well, so you can have some refreshments while betting on the game. And here we have Yolo's Mexican Grill. It's all about the fiesta here at Yolo's. Whether you're here to choose from 60 tequilas or sip a fresh fruit margarita, you're going to have the time of your life. The food here is really great, and so is the menu. Hey, if you're enjoying this video, please hit that subscribe button and smash that thumbs up. It really does help the channel out. Coming up here is a monument for crazy girls, which is clearly a permanent fixture here on the Las Vegas Strip. The Ultra Sexy show has entertained millions of audience members, including famous faces like Nicolas Cage, Magic Johnson, Robert De Niro, Joe Pesci, Tom Jones. MSNBC has said that the Crazy Girl statue you see here is one of the world's top 10 good luck monuments. I'm just not sure where to rub for good luck. Coming up here on the left is P.F. Chang's, a Chinese restaurant, a national Chinese restaurant. I'm sure most of you are familiar with it. When I was here, it wasn't opened yet. It's a brand new restaurant here at Planet Hollywood, but it should be open at this point. At the beginning of the video, I alluded to the Miracle Mile shops, which is attached to Planet Hollywood, and you can pretty much enter anywhere from Planet Hollywood into the mall. The main entrance, however, was back by the Earl of Sandwich. We're going to start heading up to the mezzanine level, or as they call it around here, the Mez. It's home to the Criss Angel Theater, the Mez Box Office, Sin City Theater, a couple of restaurants like Koi and the Strip House. The convention center's up there, as well as ballrooms, a chapel, the spa, and the Diamond Lounge as well. This is Mitzi, the Rubber Ducky Showgirl, who shows up on all my Vegas videos. As most of you know, there are hidden mascots, or some of you call them Easter eggs, in my videos. Mitzi shows up in all the Vegas ones. Sometimes she's easy to spot, other times she's quite elusive, so keep your eyes open while watching the video. If you spot her, note the time in the comments below, and if you're the first one, you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. Hold on tight. One of you guys had mentioned that they'd like to see a Jeff from New York Hold On Tight t-shirt, and I thought that was a really good idea. We'll see. First thing you see when you take these escalators up to the mezzanine is the Criss Angel Theater. This incredible production involves the audience and completely immerses them from the moment they enter the interactive lobby area and throughout the entire performance, including immersive 3D and video mapping. This is a mind-blowing live show experience of a lifetime from the #1 magician on the planet. Or, well, at least on the planet Hollywood. Also on the mezzanine level here are a few of the bikes that Chris has used in his past shows. And as I mentioned earlier, up here on the mezzanine level are a couple of upscale restaurants, including Strip House Steakhouse, a premier Las Vegas steakhouse at Planet Hollywood here. Signature side dishes and delectable desserts accompany perfectly charred steaks. Then there's Koi. This Las Vegas Japanese restaurant's trademark California accents have been imported from LA to Planet Hollywood Resort and Casino. And that's it for the latest trip to Planet Hollywood. What'd you think? Leave a comment below. That drummer was awesome, and he was sitting there right outside Planet Hollywood when I was leaving. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.